Hello guys, today we are going to install Bosch 300 series dishwasher. This is a totally stainless steel dishwasher and noise wise it's very silent. It specifies as a 44 dB as noise level. So let's start with the installation. This is nothing very hard to install. Only there is three sections. One is power section and one inlet pipe is there for the hot water, and there is a outlet pipe is there. So this one power plug comes with the dishwasher, and let me open it and I'll show it. This is the power plug, and if you have a plug point for the dishwasher, you don't have to buy another power connections. Another inlet pipe does not comes with the dishwasher. You have to buy it separately. You have to tell the shop the dishwasher kit. So now let me show that there is a how the inlet goes into the dishwasher. You have to pull out the angle which is appropriate for fitting with the dishwasher, and you have to just connect it with the inlet. It is behind the dishwasher, so you have to make the angle such way, either left side or left side, based on your basin. So if your basin is in the left side, you have to put the angle on the left side, otherwise in right side. So then you have to attach the inlet pipe. Okay, this is a hot water inlet pipe. It will connect to your hot water supply, and you can see how I have fitted it. You have to make it tight, but not much tight, so that make it a perfect tight, not too much tight. Okay, as per the specifications. And this is the outlet pipe. It's already attached to the dishwasher, so you don't have to worry much about this. You have to just connect to the your outlet of your basin. That's all. Now if you don't have any plug point for your dishwasher, you have to buy this junction box separately, and you have to attach the cable. If you open the junction box, you can see there is three cable. One is green, that is earthing. One is white and another is black. So black will go into the black and white into the white and the earth into the green. So it's very simple. Here you have to insert the cable one by one, then it will be easy for you to connect. See how I have connected here. First I connect to the black to the black, and then I insert the white one, and you can see I just insert the white cable here, and I'll screw it to the white cable, and after that I'll screw the earthing to the green one. That is simple. Yeah, you can observe how I am attaching the cable. Now we have to cover the junction box and tighten all the cables with the provided screw. So first I am tightening all the cables with the screw and screwdriver. So make sure everything is perfect inside, and then you have to close the lid of the junction box. And there are 4 screws provided. You have to just tighten the screw. That's all. It's very simple. Now it's time to insert the dishwasher into the cabinet. Before that, you have to make one hole in your cabinet so that you can put all the cables and the inlet outlet pipe to your basin outlet and inlet. So I'll show you how I have put all the cables and the pipes, and then I'll insert the dishwasher into the cabinet section. Now it's time to insert your dishwasher in your cabinet. So there are 2 clamps provided with the dishwasher. You have to attach those clamps to your under the cabinet. So let me show you how you can attach the clamp. You have to insert the clamp in a hole. This is a hole. You can see how I have inserted, and after that, see, just insert in the hole, and with a plus you can bend the edge of the clamp so that it does not come out. Okay, so similar thing on other side. So both sides you have to bend it on the upper side. Yes, with the plus. Make sure it's fixed. Then close the lid of your dishwasher and push the dishwasher. Then there will be 2 screws provided to attach the clamp to your cabinet. Yeah, you can see that I am attaching the screw under the tabletop. So if it is a wooden tabletop, then it will be very easy for you, wooden or plastic. And if it's a granite or something that does not screw, then you have to install it on the side. Before inserting the dishwasher into the cabinet, remember to check the power, if the power is coming to the dishwasher. Make sure switch off the power before doing the work. Okay, now I will install the inlet water pipe to the inlet section of under the basin. You can see I am just put some water and connect to the inlet pipe, and I will insert the outlet pipe into the outlet section. That's very easy, and you have to just tighten it and fix it. Make sure there is no leakage of water, and see, it's very simple. After that, screw it and it will be tight, and there will be no leakage of water. You can see here the inlet section and the outlet section. Okay, now it's time to make it level. I'm using the leveler to make the dishwasher level on the floor. So you can level from the front and the back end. At the lower part of the dishwasher, you can see there are two circular screws there. You have to rotate in the left side and the right side, okay, to make it level from the front. And in the middle you can see another screw is there. You have to rotate in the right side to make it level from the back. Yeah, our level was perfect, so I don't have to do this part. So but if your floor is not balanced, so you can adjust it very easily. It's time to attach the panel at the lower part of the dishwasher to cover the lower panel. See, there's two clamps provided with the dishwasher. You have to attach it like this and on the both side of the dishwasher, and then you have to screw on the top. Yeah, see, I'm attaching the clamp from both the side, and after that I screw those clamps to the dishwasher. You have to use your hand so that otherwise it is difficult, because you have to bend to tighten it. Okay. After using hand, you can use your screwdriver to tighten those clamps. Once the clamp is fitted, you can attach the panel. This is the black panel. You have to just make sure how the holes are matched. Once the holes are matched with the clamp that you have attached already, then you can attach the screw. Then after that, all is done. Once you attach the screws, there are two screws provided, so yeah, only two screws we have to attach. Now it's ready. Now the dishwasher is ready, light is blinking. I hope you like this video, and you can save up to $160 if you do it yourselves. If you have any question, write it in the comment box. I will love to answer those questions.